is September 22, 2024. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan mo mababasa to, pero gusto ko lang din malaman mo na matagal ka na naming pinlano at saka ginawa ng mami mo. So, thank you na kay Lord, binigay ka niya sa amin. So, syempre, nung binigay ka niya sa amin, sobrang saya ng feeling namin. At hindi lang kami yung masaya ni mami. Lahat ng pamilya namin, kapatid namin, lolo mo, mga daddy ko, tsuhin, tita namin, tsaka ni mami mo, lahat masasaya sila. Kasi syempre, finally, nabigyan na rin kami ng baby. So, deserving naman kami maging magulang. Tapos, ang pogi-pogi mo pa. Kahit na makulit ka, basta paglaki mo, responsable ka pa rin. Ayun, yun lang, mahal na mahal kita. Sana umabot ako ng 70, 80 para makasama pa kita ng matagal. Kasama-sama pa tayong laman. Yun lang, love you.
I wanna make it last forever. This is the perfect day.
Hi, Draco! Sana mapanood mo to in the future. And pag napanood mo, sana maging masaya ka and happy. Malaman mo sana na love ka ni Mami. Sobra-sobra. Sana madagdagan ka pa ng isang sister or brother na makakasama mo, na magiging partner mo sa buhay. Tapos, I hope you will grow up to be a very good and loving person. Basta maging mabait ka lang, okay na si Mami. So, kahit ano, sana maging maganda rin yung mga pakikisama mo sa mga friends, family. Yun, nag-wait kami sa'yo for 5 years and nag-effort si Mommy and Daddy para sa'yo. You are our miracle baby. So, sana, ayun, yung wish ko lang talaga maging good person ka, tsaka maging well-rounded, maging sociable, maging mabait sa mga family and friends. And sana maging marami yung kaibigan mo, magiging ka-close mo. In terms naman of the studies, sana maging diligent ka sa studies mo. Ayun. So, I love you so much and hoping na mapanood mo to, tapos maging masaya ka. Tapos sana ma-appreciate mo yung lahat ng ginagawa namin para sa'yo. We love you so much, anak.
I wanna make it last forever. I wanna make it last forever. This is the perfect day. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect way to be. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day. I feel so free, flying like a bird, and I know that it's you and me. We feel alive, yeah. Life is sweet. Smiles all around, and they're smiling at you and me. Love is in our hearts. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect way to be. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day. The sky is bright. It's a brand new day and it's shining on you and me. We feel alive, yeah. So complete. Nothing we can't do, yeah. It's all about you and me. Love is in our hearts. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect way to be. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day. And with every breath that you're mine. 1, 2, 3, you and me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect way to be. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect way to be. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day for me. Oh, 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 it's a perfect day. The sky is bright. It's a brand new day.
Thank you sa inyo lahat ha. Sana lahat nag-enjoy kayo, nabusog kayo, nawala ang stress nyo kahit na ilang oras ng ating party. O meron pa daw after party kasi tutugtog pa yung banda ng tatay ko. Ewan ko, nagsiset up sila. Parang jamming lang, light na jamming. Nandyan yata sila. So, sana mag-stay kayo kasi overnight naman tong venue. So, lahat na pag-stay pa, mag-stay pa kayo dito. Welcome pa kayo. May pagkain pa, may nakatago pa akong konting pagkain.
Draco, we love you.
Alam mo na yung magiging gupit mo pag pwede ka ng gupitan. Pero, kay Mami Kay ka manghingi ng baon, kayo magkamukha. Ayun na. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay kayo.